Here we have another circuit with LEDs placed in an array and a motor at the command of a push button. With the power of computer programming, we were able to program each button press to have a different result. The first button initializes the motor to full power and powers the first LED. The second button turns off the motor and powers the second LED. The third button press makes the motor pulse and the LED turn on number 3, which is red. And our fourth button press turns on the blue light, which is our fourth LED, and it makes our motor turn on full power once again. With our fifth button press, turning the whole system off. Here in the Arduino software, we can see the code that we wrote for this array. We first used LED pin 10, 11, 12, and 13, and our motor pin was number 2, and our button pin was number 7. Down here we can see that if we clicked our button for the first time, it will turn our motor on. If we click the button our second time, it'll turn the motor off. If we select the button 3 times, it'll turn the motor into a pulse using this delay of 200 microseconds. And then motor off with a delay of 200 microseconds. Now we see here that on button push 4, we have light on and motor on. And then we have to turn off, reset all, motor off, so that turns off the motor. We scroll down a little bit, we have our LEDs and their delays of half of a second. This is allowing the lights to turn on and off and on in that array setup. This is very similar to our previous LEDs setups, like our blink. We have our delay. This is a 1.5 seconds. This is for the motor on and the motor off for the first few pins. This is my video. Thank you for watching.